When you have a small kitchen, here are some essential design tips to maximize the space. Skip the base cabinets near the chimney. They are often too narrow and can accumulate dust. Instead, install tall, thin cabinets to maximize storage and make items easily accessible. Shorten the adjacent cabinets and add a pull-out cabinet for storing dry goods and frequently used kitchen tools. Drawers are more convenient than shelves in base cabinets. They allow for organized storage and easy access. Include a pull-out rack for plates and bowls to keep everything in sight and within reach. Avoid stacking all your cookware in one place. Instead, use an adjustable rack to store pots and pans. This will allow for easy access and organized storage. Shorten the upper cabinets and add flip-up cabinets for storing oils, sauces, and other condiments. This keeps the kitchen tidy and makes items easy to find. Add a shelf for the microwave in the middle section. Use thin cabinets with louvered doors to enclose the water heater. This allows for ventilation while hiding pipes and wires. Install a pegboard below for additional storage. Elevate the sink area by 10 centimeters to make food prep easier without bending over. Extend the countertop to the windowsill for a cohesive look and add a knife holder. Use thin cabinets in the corners to store dry goods and vegetables. Install track lighting above for better visibility and incorporate ultra-thin cabinets for efficient categorization. Explore more about our solid wood furniture brand on our homepage.